How to become an effective AI-augmented leader. Abstract. Artificial intelligence technologies are fundamentally transforming workplace dynamics at an unprecedented pace, requiring leaders to make critical strategic choices about technological adoption. Rather than approaching AI implementation as an automation-first initiative that risks displacing workers, forward-thinking executives are embracing an augmentation mindset that enhances human capabilities through technology partnership. This article presents a comprehensive framework for AI-augmented leadership, detailing the 5 core competencies required: strategic visioning, digital integration, talent development, responsible innovation, and change management. Through case studies spanning healthcare, manufacturing, and transportation, the framework demonstrates how successful leaders are navigating AI transitions by assessing impacts, designing human-centered visions, implementing thoughtful change management, carefully deploying technologies, and establishing continuous governance mechanisms. By viewing AI as an ally rather than a replacement for human workers, leaders can transform potential disruption into strategic advantage while fostering workplaces where technology amplifies rather than diminishes human potential. Artificial intelligence technologies are reshaping the workplace at an unprecedented pace. As AI becomes ever more capable, leaders must choose whether to get ahead of these changes or risk being left behind. Effective AI adoption requires a new type of leadership, one that embraces augmentation over automation. Today, we will explore a framework for becoming an effective AI-augmented leader capable of harnessing new technologies while empowering human employees. Understanding the opportunities and challenges of AI to lead effectively in an era of rapid technological change. Executives must first understand both the opportunities and challenges presented by AI. Research on the impacts of automation reveals several important dynamics leaders must recognize: job transformations, not wholesale replacements. While some roles may be fully automated, studies find that the majority of jobs will experience only partial automation as certain tasks are handled by AI but humans remain involved. Manica et al. 2017, New Roles and Skill Requirements. As work processes change, new types of jobs focused on uniquely human skills like creativity, empathy and problem-solving will emerge. This will create an ongoing need to help workers continuously develop new capabilities. World Economic Forum, 2018, Uneven impact across industries and geographies. The effects of automation will not be uniform. Some sectors and regions are more vulnerable than others. Leaders must thoughtfully manage change at the individual, team, and organizational levels. McKinsey Global Institute, 2017, Potential for New Inequality. There is a risk that certain groups may be left behind as work and skills requirements rapidly change. Fair and inclusive leadership will be crucial to mitigating new divides. Fry and Osborne, 2013. This framework establishes the importance of properly understanding the nuanced ways in which AI will impact different jobs, workers and organizations to lead change responsibly and effectively. Becoming an AI-augmented leader rather than fearing AI as a threat. Forward-thinking leaders view it as a partner that, if properly guided, can amplify human capabilities. This requires adopting an augmentation mindset and cultivating 5 core competencies of the AI-augmented leader: strategic visionary. Set a vision for how AI can create new opportunities and address organizational challenges, not just cost-cutting. Digital integrator. Oversee efforts to thoughtfully integrate new technologies into workflows while monitoring impacts and addressing issues proactively. Talent champion. Develop employee skills to work alongside AI and champion lifelong learning as job requirements change. Responsible innovator. Ensure innovation is human-centered, fair and accountable by establishing processes for oversight, explainability and bias mitigation. Change catalyst. Mobilize the organization for change through effective communication, retraining support and showing how AI empowers workers versus replacing them. Cultivating these competencies prepares leaders to guide their organizations successfully through AI-driven transformation and seize its benefits, rather than being disrupted by it. The framework establishes a set of clear leadership skills and mindsets needed for effective AI adoption. Putting AI-augmented leadership into practice, the following examples illustrate how leaders in different industries have begun adopting an AI augmentation approach. Healthcare. Integrating AI assistants. A large hospital network equipped nurses with AI assistants that analyze patient vitals, flag abnormal readings, and suggest treatment options. This enabled nurses to spend more time in direct care by offloading diagnostic tasks. Leadership established oversight and retraining programs to ensure the technology safely augmented staff capabilities. Manufacturing. Reskilling the workforce. A machinery manufacturer uses AI to streamline plant workflows and quality inspection processes. Leadership is reskilling technicians to operate advanced robotics safely and oversee AI systems, while institutionalizing upskilling programs to manage ongoing job changes. Workers now focus on more creative problem-solving and system optimization. Transportation. Rethinking driver jobs. A package delivery company developing self-driving trucks is working closely with unions to redefine driver responsibilities. AI will handle long highway routes, freeing employees to manage final deliveries, troubleshoot issues, and take over in complex situations, maintaining the important job role while evolving it. These real-world examples illustrate what effective AI augmentation looks like across different sectors. Leadership in each case established a strategic vision, integrated technologies thoughtfully, and championed reskilling retraining to empower workers through change. Becoming an AI-augmented leader, a process for execution to operationalize the AI-augmented leadership model. There are 5 key steps for execution: assess impacts, analyze your business, and map how roles may change, with consultation across departments and unions, staff associations. Design an AI vision, articulate goals for how AI can address strategic challenges and drive new opportunities through augmentation, not replacement. Develop a change management plan, determine reskilling retraining needs, and design support programs that mitigate disruption through the transition. Roll out technologies thoughtfully. Ensure pilots carefully integrate AI to prove value and address issues proactively before scaling enterprise-wide. Govern continuously. Establish oversight and adjust roles, processes based on feedback to continuously maximize benefits and protect workers through change. Following these steps provides a roadmap for leading successful AI transformation projects in practice. The iterative nature of the model means AI strategies must evolve alongside technology and workforce needs. Conclusion: by adopting the mindsets and competencies of the AI-augmented leadership model, executives can guide disruption into opportunity. Viewing AI as an ally that expands what humans can achieve, not a replacement, will be key to the coming decades of rapid change. Those who establish people-centered strategies and systems to integrate new technologies responsibly will thrive. While transformation challenges lie ahead, leaders who champion capabilities over jobs and focus on empowering workers through change can emerge stronger. The AI-driven future remains unwritten. Let us ensure it is one defined by human potential, not displacement. The conclusion restates the core thesis that AI augmentation, not automation, will define the most effective leadership approach going forward. It emphasizes the optimist view that focusing on people over processes can help organizations overcome transition challenges and emerge stronger. Overall, it provides a strong call to action and rallying message for executives to successfully drive innovation through this period of profound technology-driven workplace transition.